It's a beautiful scenery. You can see the mountain is clearly visible from this place. This mountain range is about 25 kilometers from my place. Many times I visit this place, this mountain city called Nilgiri, and it's beautiful really. You can see the sun is setting down on the west, and it's a beautiful scenery. I am working in my rooftop garden. Now these are the bins. I have started losing the earth so that it will grow, and we have started to fix the net for these bitter gourds. So they have given almost plenty of bitter gourd this time. This I have started also losing the earth so that they can breathe the earthworms, or you can see the microbes. They can breathe freely and they can fertile the land. So this is a cucumber. It's become huge now. A huge cucumber, you can say. And this is chili. Too much chilies. Now we are not buying any chilies from the market. We are managing from our garden. Similarly, the bitter gourds also we are managing. This is tori. We are managing. Many are coming now. The beautiful scenery you can enjoy. And this is the drumstick plant. We are finding some insects are coming. Generally they appear in the that rainy season. These are insects which are eating the leaves of the drumstick plant. Here it is the papaya. Now it has started giving fruits. So things are going in this way. This is a green pumpkin. It is climbing. So all well. We are finding good time here. So it is important to develop your regular habit to work in the garden, because they need your care. They need your care, and otherwise they will perish. So I am going to now give the earth. You can see what I am doing is they are very tender now. Thank you very much.